Good morning, it's Rachel here. I just did my video and I had to delete it and start it again because I wanted to show you the incredible mess on the table and it went upside down. So let's try again and see if I flip around again this time. So this is my mess here. And then this is Sarah's mess over here. Look at that. You've never seen me that messy before. It's like a bomb hit. So we don't know where my mess begins and her mess ends. But anyway, we'll try and go on anyway. I hope this does not flick upside down like the last one did, because otherwise I'll do it a third time. And I didn't think you'd enjoy watching everything upside down. So you might have had a glimpse here. These are some of the lovely things that our postcards got wrapped up and stuff in Venice. So we might be able to do a little Venice video, just maybe to share some of the things that we bought and maybe where we bought them from for anyone who's might be of interest to anyone who's going to Venice. So first thing there's a few things to do in this video, quite a few, 3 things to be precise. So the first thing is I have a new digital kit with just doilies. It was a special request and I thought I would do it. There are 12 doilies and I've made 2 PDF files with 2 different sizes. So one file is 1 page and it's 12 doilies that are the perfect size just to cut out and use on your tags or as a little embellishment. Hey Jamie. As a little embellishment on your journal page or on a journal card or on a tuck spot, whatever you like. So these are the smaller ones. You can see my thumb here to give you an idea, but I'll show you. I have used them already. And then I did a second PDF file where I put 6 to a page, so they are, I would like to say, nearly double the size. So it's still good to use on a doily, on a tag, or on journaling cards, or as a little embellishment on your page, or that sort of thing as well. So those are the 2 pages. Now I did print them on 120 GSM high quality matte paper, so not regular paper. So you can see, I'll just tap it so you can see they did print very well here and here as well. And I used normal printing, not draft, and I didn't use high quality. And I have an HP inkjet printer that was not expensive. So this is what it prints like on mine. Probably if you have a better printer than me, it'll print out even better. If your printer is worse than mine, then it won't print out as well. But they are very, very well defined and good resolution in them. Also included when you purchase the listing is the JPEG files. I had to do the video again, Sarah, because I showed the mess on the table and then my video went upside down and I didn't realize. Okay, so I hope I'm not upside down again. So that's the new digi kit in my shop. I just thought I'd show you. And now I'm going to update you with my December daily, which is not very daily. It's a bit behind, but it's still a December sort of daily sort of thing that will go into January. I just wanted to also show you in here where I've used those little doilies. I think I've used them here and there, not here. Let's just go through quickly. Here's one. Here's one of the doilies, and I'm going to use that because I would like to write something there. And you've probably already seen it, but you didn't know I was making the kit, or I might have mentioned it. Can't remember. There's another one. That's the mini one there, and then this is the bigger one here. So you can kind of see the difference. So that's a little. I printed 9 photographs to a page there, so it gives you an idea of the size. Perfect for tags. Perfect. Or little embellishments just like that. And then you've seen all of that here until I got to here's another one. This is the bigger size, and then this is also the bigger size, and I just slipped it in there behind the date. And this is where we start off from the last time I did my December daily. So this is one of the mosaics I photographed in Rimini, and I put one of the little doilies from this kit. I'll show you which one it is. It's actually the bigger one. Where is it? This one here. No, it's the smaller one. Let me see. Oh no, it's the bigger one. It's this one here. And it looks great. I really like the way they turned out. This is from one of the magazine that I showed you in a previous video, and this is from the Daphne's Diary. And then this is the lovely card that Mary sent me. I just put that in there, and I'm going to tuck some things in behind there. And I didn't want to cover up that little bit because Lulu did that many years ago when she was little. And the same here. And then this is my day 13. I didn't do very much, so I just put some things in there that aesthetically pleased me, and I might write just a couple of things that we did. I am keeping note because I am very behind with my book. And again, here we didn't do too much, so I didn't want to use up too much space for it. I'll do a little bit of writing there, and I just stuck this lovely gingerbread house in there that I liked. And then a picture of a photograph of my friend's daughter, and I had gifted her a journal last year for her birthday, and she loves it. And her mum said she was homesick from school and just looking through her book. I don't think she uses it. I told her to use it, but I don't know if she does. Now, this is the antique market. I did write it in a comment to a lady just this morning. This is the antique market here. It's C'era una volta. It's not Il Libro. It's C'era una volta Antiquariato or something like that. And it's in Cesena. And then I just, so this is the day that we went to the antique market. So I did a page, that's the ticket to get in, and then I just did a little bit of writing, and that's that day done. And then on the same day, while Lulu was at school and we were at the antique market, my husband took, with his mum, my nephew up to where his grandparents used to live. They still have the house, and they have 17 acres or hectares, I'm not sure which. And it's up on the side of a little mountain, and so it was full of snow, and he did bobsledding. So I wanted to write about that and put some photographs in there of his day. He just had a smile from ear to ear when we came back from the antique market. And then the next day we went to Venice, and so there's one of the doilies again. It's one of my favorites, and I've just started collaging my pages. But I have a lot to do for Venice, so that's really where I'm up to. I absolutely love these little square postcards that we found. We saw it in one random spot that we went for a walk. It was near the Chiesa San Rocco, where Tintoretto has a lot of frescoes. We didn't go in, or paintings. We didn't go into any churches or anything. We didn't have time. We just roamed around, but found these square postcards there, and they're really cool. And I just love this page. So this is one the hand marbled, the original papers, and the date, and then this is just from the Daphne's Diary, and I just love it all together. And then I've just stuck in this beautiful postcard, and then I need to do more. That's where I'm at too with my December book. And then the last thing is Mary asked me to make a packet of collaged paper pages and tags and things for her. So I've made 2. So there's pack 1 and pack 2. One will be available in my shop and one will be sold. So this is pack 1, this is pack 2, and right now, while I'm here, I'm going to put a post-it on it so we remember. And then Mary, if you can tell me, do you want pack 1 or pack 2? Okay, so I'll just write pack 1 over here, and pack 2 is over here. Right. Okay, so let's go through pack 1 first, and I'll show you what I made. Just take that off. So I made lots of tags with Jessica paper. Now I call it Jessica paper because that's a Jessica wrap from Two Silver Oranges. I saw her make it for the first time. I did see, my sister was watching a video that I hadn't seen before by Sarah from the Mushroom Market. She also makes Jessica paper. I don't know whether it's Sarah paper or Jessica paper, really. I don't know who did it first, but I saw it from Jessica. But Sarah's looks fabulous as well, so you can pop over and see her too. And then this is just a little sort of flippy out. You can put it in as a pocket. You can stitch in pages. You could put in a pocket there, whatever you like. That's just an extra thing. Then there's some journaling cards. Very old grungy paper on the back. Another journaling card here. And then some more tags made with Jessica paper. Some lovely old paintings and botanical images. Some antique lace. And then another botanical image here. I just love the way these turn out. They're really great. And there. And then this is a book page that I collaged on as I learned from Sarah from the Mushroom Market. There's 2 here of this size in this collection there. And then this is just like a little random piece that I didn't want to cut it into 2 tags. I just left it like that, and I like to put them in my book as a flip out. I've done that before. You've seen it in my Christmas book. And here's another one. I just love all those colors. And some of my sisters, Roxy Creations by Sarah, one of her trim digi kits, her antique lace, and the same here. This is a Mrs. Cog image, and then that's the back. This is also napkin underneath. And then here's a big double book page that I've collaged on, and a big journaling card on 2 antique book pages stitched together, and then another double book page collaged. I'm running out of air for some reason. Probably help if I took a breath. Okay, so that's that one. And then, oops, knocked it over. Oh gosh, I hope you don't go upside down like in the last video. I have to do it again, then I might faint. Okay, so here's the next one. This is pack 2, which I thought Mary probably would like pack 2, but I'm not sure. You never know. So this is the first tag. She wanted ladies and botanicals and that sort of thing, if I understood correctly. There's another one. This is lovely, this tag. And another one here with one of Marie Antoinette's ideas for the way, you know, like how she did those crazy hairstyles and things. A beautiful old painting. And some botanical images. Another old painting. And then another journaling card here. And then this is a book page that's been collaged. And then a big journaling card here. Yes, that's a big journaling card. Love that image. And then this is just it's got one of my doilies from one of my older kits. And then it has a pocket in there, and you could put this into a journal and make it a tuck spot, and you could also stitch in some pages if you like on the front here, like that you flip up, or a little booklet in there as well, whatever you like. Thought that was very pretty. And then this is just a big journaling card here, and then another one. Here's another little flippy out thing that you can use. Some more tags. That tag. And then another one. Just love all the colours, the way they turned out. And then two more big book pages that have been collaged. And I love this. This is a beautiful napkin. Just love it. Can't find too many nice napkins here in Italy. It's very hard. And there's one of the doilies on the back. Just love it. And you can write all over that and it looks fabulous. So those are the 2 kits. That's pack number 2. So Mary, if you could let me know if that's okay, if that's what you were looking for, and then I'll list the other one that you don't choose in my shop. So thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll be back soon. We might be doing a video where Sarah will be doing a tutorial for something fun for Christmas. And so we'll probably be back with that video in the next few days. Thank you for watching. Bye.